Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the IMETHOD Beauty Blush. Spoiler alert, I love their blush, but I just want to say thank you so much to IMETHOD Beauty for partnering up with me on this video. So they sent me out one of their blushes to review for you, and I got the shade 03 Spicy Girl, which is a matte rose nude. A really beautiful color, perfect for fall time. But their cream blushes are amazing, and you get quite a bit of product. Now, you can get this right off of Amazon for 10 bucks. Of course, I'm going to have everything linked down in the description box for you. Now, I have already tried one of their blushes before, and this color that I already tried was 01, and this is called First Love, and this is a matte nude pink, and that is what this shade looks like. So I've already tried this shade, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. I already have a video reviewing this one, so you can go check that out. I will have it linked down in the description box too, but that's that shade. Let me go ahead and swatch. Now this is the color, ooh yes, I'm going to be using today. Now these you can use on your cheeks for blush, you can use them on your lips for lipstick, or you can use them on your eye for a little bit of eyeshadow as color. So today I'm going to be using this color on my cheeks and my lips because why not? Have a little moment where everything's matching. That'll look cute. These blushes are cruelty free as well, so we love that. So if you like these types of reviews from me, please make sure that you are giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. So the last time that I tried out the other blush, I actually did a blush contour, so you should definitely check out that video. It actually turned out a lot cuter than I thought it was going to, girl. So I'm just going to take my brush and dip on here. Now also it does come with a brush on the bottom end. This is more of a dense brush, but if you're on the go, you travel a lot, and you don't want to have to take a bunch of brushes and stuff with you, this is really nice because you can just apply it directly to your cheeks and then have the brush to blend it out. You don't need to take a bunch of brushes with you. So I do appreciate that, but I am just going to be using my e.l.f. This is their Putty Blush brush. So I love this one. I love this brush for blush. Say that a bunch of times, girl. So I like to apply my blush further back. I don't like to put it on the apples of my cheeks because I have such red cheeks that I always try to apply the blush further back, and I like to put mine higher up as well. And then I also like take it on my temple a little. So I do like a small V, if you will, or maybe a U. What do you call that? But that's just how I like to apply my blush. This stuff blends out so effortlessly. It is a beautiful shade, and you can build it up or sheer it out as much as you like. Really, it just depends on how pigmented you like your blush. I am going to build it up a little bit just so you can get a good feel for the color, but very beautiful. Love this blush. And for 10 bucks, you really cannot beat that. These things last you forever. They have a shelf life of 12 months. I have not had an issue with mine drying out, so I appreciate that as well. But it just applies so nicely. And these blushes really just melt right into the skin. I absolutely love them. But also, if you feel like you've got too much color and you're like, oh no girl, I don't like that, it's too much, just take your beauty sponge or whatever you was using to put on your foundation and run right over top of it, and it just helps sheer it out a little bit, so that way it's not too much. But I absolutely love these blushes. Very smooth on the skin, and they layer really well with powder. So if you like to top your cream blushes with powders, there's going to be no issue with this blush. Okay, so I think I am going to line my lips with a lip liner before I apply it to my lips. So now that I got my lips lined, I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit on my finger and just apply it to my lips. And it feels very creamy on the lips. And I absolutely love that. But I am going to go ahead and set mine down with just a little bit of powder, just to make sure that it stays in place. Looks so good. Now I've also tried other products from iMethod Beauty. I've tried their winged eyeliner stamp, which is amazing, girl. If you struggle with doing winged eyeliner, I absolutely love that. I've also tried their eyebrow stamper. Now, to be honest, I really don't use that as often. It is nice if you don't already have pretty full eyebrows, because it comes with the stencils and everything, but the product itself is really good. So if you struggle with your eyebrows not being full enough, it comes with a stencil and you just kind of press it on. I really like the pomade that it comes with, because once you get them in place, stamp it on, it dries down, it stays in place, it won't move on you. And same thing with the eyeliner, girl. Like, you put the eyeliner on and it is not going to come off until you wash it off with some makeup remover. So I love that about it. But I absolutely love their blushes. You're not going to have any types of issues with it fading or anything like that. But this blush is amazing. It's so smooth. So out of everything that I've tried from iMethod Beauty, I would definitely recommend their blushes and their eyeliner stamp. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.